cultural icon. The Samba bus has become more than just a vehicle, it is a cultural icon. Its association with the 1960s counterculture and the hippie movement has solidified its place in popular culture. With its vibrant paint jobs, peace signs, and flower decals, the Samba embodies the spirit of freedom, adventure, and self-expression. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white-finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. What's with all the windows? The VW Samba bus is renowned for its abundant windows, boasting a remarkable total of 23. Every passenger had a view. The 23-window configuration is highly sought after due to its limited production numbers, making it a prized feature for vintage car enthusiasts. The unique combination of skylight windows, safari windows, and the signature split windshield adds to the Samba's charm and elevates its collectability, making them even more coveted among those who appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of this iconic Volkswagen model. Collectability. The 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus is an incredibly collectible vehicle, and this example is no exception. With its limited production numbers, distinct design, and historical significance, it commands high prices in the vintage car market. Recent sale prices reflect the high demand for these iconic buses. In 2017, a 1960 23-window VW bus, equally attractive, achieved an astounding price of $207,200 at an RM Sotheby's auction in New York. That same year, a 1965 example fetched over $300,000 at Barrett-Jackson. These remarkable sale prices underscore the exceptional value and allure that the 23-window Samba holds in the eyes of collectors and enthusiasts alike.